Here we have a 2024 Land Cruiser 300 Series Sahara ZX fitted in 3/4 fit open back ivory sheepskin. Separate headrests. Sheepskins are profiled to the shape of the seat. Being a Sahara ZX, has electric controls on both the driver and passenger side. With their seat covers fitted, electric controls are left open, so seats still function as per normal. Airbag provision on both door sides of the backrest. And being a Sahara ZX, but also the Sahara as well, of course, has the DVDs built into the back of the seat. And as you can see, our seat covers go inside the capping, so DVDs are left open and functional. And courtesy light under the seats is also still functional as per normal with our seat covers fitted.